What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl Sweet Angel. Welcome back to Sugar Fingers. Absolutely. Oh my goodness, today is going to be something different. We're actually doing an unboxing. You probably saw the title, and y'all, it's late evening. My dogs are round up, but we're going to pretend like they're not doing what they do. You know, that's just what they do. So let me share with y'all what I got in this big old box right here. In this big box, y'all, the only thing that was in here was this holographic box right here from E.L.F. I ordered this myself because I was so interested in what it had in it. This is the E.L.F.TASTIC 12-day Advent calendar. These are real popular right now with all sorts of brands, but I wanted to see what E.L.F. had in theirs. So if you don't mind, we'll just take it one day at a time and open this up. And your girl is so blind, she's gonna have to put on some eyeglasses. I hope these aren't too dirty. I'm just grabbing them from over here. Let me see if I can swatch them off a little bit to make it better. How are y'all doing, by the way? Are you doing good? Oh my goodness, I see y'all have been enjoying some of my videos over here on Sugar Fingers. You know, I'm trying to keep it cute right here, trying to keep it cute. And I do have on a new nail look right now. These are some press-on nails. I didn't do a video on them because I got them at Dollar General, but they actually worked out pretty well, and I couldn't find anywhere online to order them from. So I said, well, I just won't worry about it. I'm not going to share that one with them this time around, but I want to say it was a brand called Pretty Woman Faux Nails or something like that, but they turned out cute for Valentine, I think. So I'm going to rock these hopefully for the next couple of days. Now that I got on my specs and you see glares of the light all in here, I can actually read the back of this. So we're going to start off with number 1 right here. I'm going to open that up, and we're going to talk about what's in the 12-day Advent calendar. So it has several items in here, 12 as a matter of fact, and we're going to discover them now, and I'll be able to add these to my collection. So let me just tear this open here. Maybe I should get something that I can use instead of my fake nails, because they're not going to last. You know what I'm saying? They're not gonna last, so I don't want to mess up anything. Okay, number 1. I'm probably gonna need that to scoop this out of here. So this is the E.L.F. Wow Brow. All you have to do is apply gel alone or as a top coat over E.L.F. brow powder or pencil. Start from the inner corner and follow the arch, working in upward strokes. So that is the first item in the box. And might I mention, this box cost $45. It was free shipping because, of course, on E.L.F., you know, anything under this amount is free shipping. So let's get to number 2. This is, oh, I haven't done anything like this in so long, y'all. This is really like, it's working me, honey. It's making me work. Okay. What could that be? Say, we all see that it's lipstick, right? This is the Sursley Satin Lipstick. It is in Taffy Caramel Mauve. Just apply it to your lips in a swiping motion, starting from the middle of the lips and moving towards the corners. Beautiful color. I love that. That is so pretty. I look forward to trying that. Number 3. She's right here. Let's poke a hole in there. This is kind of weird. I hate to tear up the box. It was so pretty. But you know, you don't have a choice but to get in here and rip it out. You know, just got to do it. I will assume I'm looking at the right thing here because this container says E.L.F. Hello Hydration Face Cream. However, on the box it says Holy Hydration Mini, and I'm assuming this is the same thing, but if I see anything different on here, I'll correct that in a little bit, but I believe I'm looking at the right thing. So this is a cream that you gently massage a small amount of the cream onto clean skin. Use in the morning alone or follow with your favorite e.l.f. makeup. And it does have a fresh, clean scent. Can also be used at night after cleansing. And that's super cute. Let's move on. We are on number 4. Okay, we got some eyeshadow. Let's get this eyeshadow out of here. Very pretty. This is the Bite Size Eyeshadow. It is a mix and match color palette, and you just simply apply this to your eyelid. Y'all know what to do with eyeshadow, don't ya? It's so pretty. I love that. Fancy. And some neutral shades as well, so that I do love. It's time for number 5. Let's get in here. Ah, it's a brush. Hello, brush. Wow, it's been a long time since I purchased an e.l.f. brush, but not a lot has changed. It's a little bit more sleeker. That feels pretty good though. This is a blending brush, much needed. Just use this in sweeping movement, glide the brush across the eyelid to blend. Nice, I like it, I like it. I can never get enough brushes, of course. Now on to number 6, and that's right up there. Let's get in here. Oh, I'm getting good at this now, y'all. I'm getting good at it. Okay. Can't tell me nothing. This is the liquid glitter eyeshadow. All you have to do is apply this to your eyelid with the applicator and blend using your fingertips or a flat eyeshadow brush. Wear alone or as an eyeshadow topper to amplify your eye look. Wow, such a pretty color, which is called Cranberry Punch. Very befitting. Looks great with my nails. Yes. Oh, it's like so, like so. I'm not going to swatch it just in case y'all have this on your doorstep. You never know. You never ever know. Okay, beautiful. That was number 6, and we are on to number 7. Oh, what's in here? Ah, this is something I did want to try, definitely. I have heard so much regarding this Poreless Putty Primer, how wonderful it is, and I am super excited to have it. Okay. The directions only say to apply a thin, even amount to moisturize skin prior to your makeup application. Allow to set for 30 seconds before applying your foundation. And you're good to go. Oh, I can't wait. Listen, even though I don't use foundation, I just think it's great for even, you know, minimizing your pores or fine lines. So I'm going to try it for that, and we shall see. Okay, do you hear me? Okay. All right, let me get this done because my battery looks like she wants to fall by the wayside. So I guess that was number 7. Now we're on to number 8. Ah, I just said I need to order some makeup setting spray or makeup mist. I like to do this to kind of glow up the skin, since I like the no makeup look, no foundation look. And guess what she has? She has what she wanted. Had I known that today that I had some setting spray, I would have opened the box up. Okay. And this is the makeup mist and set. All you have to do is, after you have applied your makeup, spray a light mist 12 to 16 inches from your face with eyes closed to set your makeup in place. That's it. Nice little pump. Boom, just like so. And scrunch, 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 scrunch. Yes! Can't wait, can't wait. I need to do a whole makeup look because that's looking like what I got here. So that was number 8, and we're on to number 9. Moving right along, right? Come on, battery. Don't fail me now. Don't you fail me now. I used to get the E.L.F. box all the time, and I was always super excited to see what was in it. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the Ride or Die Lip Balm in Boss Berry. Apply AM or PM for soft and hydrated lips. Okay, it's sealed up, so I'm not going to open it just yet because, again, who knows where it's going to go from me to maybe you. You never know. I sure will. That was number 9. Now we have number 10. And my dogs have not ceased yet. They are going hard and heavy at whatever is going on outside. Like, it's important to them. It's really important. Ooh. Ooh. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, she don't want to come out. Whatever it is. Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh, I love stuff for the lips, honey. Yes, I do. So what we have here is lip lacquer. Yes, in Bubbles is the shade. Apply directly on lips or over your favorite lipstick. Girl, you know I love that. I like to see if it has a distinct smell. It really doesn't smell like anything, but I go through tons of lip glosses and stuff, so I like this. Yes, I do. Next, that was number 10, and now we're on to number 11. I have a sponge. So cute, and I like the style of it because I love the Real Technique sponges, and this one reminds me of that shape, so this is already a winner in my book. This is the Total Face Sponge. Of course, you just use this to apply your makeup, foundation, etc. Sweep the angled side of the sponge across the product. Swipe over your cheekbones, bridge of your nose, brow bone, and cupid's bow. Soften and blend product using the rounded side by gently bouncing the sponge across the face. Can be used wet or dry. Yes, it's very soft, so that's a good thing. I like that. Girl, you're gonna get a lot of use. And the final item, drum roll please. I can't get in it fast enough, y'all. Just like, what could this be? Because it looks very unusually shaped. And the last thing, I just don't use it all, is Eyelash Curlers. Look at her. Okay, that's it. These are their standard little eyelash curlers. Mechanical, so you know who curls her eyelashes. This will be a giveaway for sure. Well, that is all of the items, you guys, and I'm so glad y'all came to hang out with me to open this package up. I'm super excited about it, and I am definitely going to implement some of these into my next makeup look I do over here on Sugar Fingers. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you're interested in your little box, go out and get one. $45 is the cost of it. I will have all of these items listed down in the description box to see if it was well worth the money. And beautiful babes, again, if you want one, grab you one. I am an E.L.F. affiliate that I recall. If I am, you know I'm going to have my link below, and if you love your girl and you don't mind supporting this channel, please use my link. It'll be most appreciated, and I can keep on doing these videos for you. I am your girl Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for hanging out right here on Sugar Fingers. Absolutely, we are excited about whatever goes on over here, whether it's head to toes, fingers on the nose. We just having a good time, and I appreciate all of you all. So I'm out of here. If you enjoyed today's video, please drop a like, drop me some hands down in the comments, and listen, if you want more videos, keep watching the videos to the end and let me know you're enjoying them, and I'll be back time after time. And in the meantime and in between time, y'all know what to do. Keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see y'all in the next one. Toodles!